drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm your girl Jassy. And if you like what you see, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment or two, ask me any questions that you may have. I'll answer to the best of my ability, y'all. So I'm super excited to be showing y'all this style because this literally took me less than 3 hours to do. So I did the crochet method, like traditional crochet in the back, and then I did individuals in the front. I believe I may have maybe 20 to 25 braids up in the front. I think I have either 6 or 7 braids in the back, going straight back as like regular cornrows. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little turnaround for y'all so y'all will see just how good it looks. Like, unless you totally want, you want to do individual all over, but I've done individual all over and it took me basically the entire day. This took less than 3 hours and I feel like you get the same effect. So let me start talking so I can show y'all the piece. Let me come a little closer, girl. You see?
Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
But yeah, this is the style. This is how it came out. Again, less than 3 hours. I have all the details as far as the hair I used, how many packs I had, and everything like that. It'll be down in the description box below. Throughout this video, I'm not really gonna do much talking. I'm gonna kind of explain. If you guys do need like an in-depth tutorial on how to do traditional crochet, let me know, because I didn't really like go into detail with that. I showed maybe a couple of them. I showed me doing a couple of them, and then other than that, the back was done like that. Like the back literally took 45 minutes. I was really excited to see how fast like that went by. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video.
You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
So you're going to go ahead and place the hair inside of the crochet needle and then pull it through. Afterward, you're going to go ahead and open it up, pull your real hair and the lock through, and then pull it tight as if you're doing regular crochet. So you're going to take a piece of the Jamaican twist hair, your real hair, and the lock. You're going to hold that all in one hand, right? And then you're going to start wrapping the Jamaican twist hair around the entire 3 pieces of hair that you're holding in the other hand. So I got it zoomed in pretty close here so you guys can get a feel of what I'm trying to say. You don't want to twist it because then it'll just come out as twist. You're using this hair to cover those 3 strands of hair. But I'm gonna stop talking so you guys can pay attention. So now what I'm doing here is just taking that other piece of the Jamaican twist hair, and I'm going to finish wrapping that around the rest of my braid and the lock. So as you can see, I ran out of hair, so what I'm just going to do is taking a half of that half to finish wrapping it around the rest of my braid.